welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making my favorite detox green drink. It's perfect to have pre-workout or after, and it is great and green, and let's get started. So what goes into this juice is 1 cucumber, usually 3 to 4 stalks of celery, and then I peeled a whole lemon, and then I also peeled my ginger. You can use as much ginger as you'd like. It just really depends on how spicy you want it. So let's get juicing. Pretty much that's all there is to it. You can give it a stir and then enjoy. Now the best part, getting to taste it. It's so delicious, has that nice spice from the ginger, and it's just so refreshing. I hope you guys enjoy as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I post a new video every Sunday, and I really just want to thank everyone who tunes in and watches. Cheers!